Hello guys, on this video I'm going to show you a site, or rather a platform that is gonna pay you from $5 per survey. Yes, from $5. So this is not just one of those surveys that will pay you, less than $1 per survey and end up spending 30 minutes or 5 minutes. No, this is the real deal. And then you know what? There are surveys, they go from $5, nothing below that. I've been using this for 2 years now, and as you know me, I will never recommend you to something that I don't use or I've not used before. So this is something that I've used and I continue to use every now and then. And you know what? The service are amazing. I can tell you this. I've been using this for some time now. I've never spent more than 50 minutes on a survey. In fact, most of the time I spend less than 10 minutes. And you know what? Just for less than that 10 minutes, I get paid $5, $10. It depends what is the survey. Most of the surveys that I get, they will require you to connect your Facebook profile, because they will take you to your Facebook profile, but then they differ, as I said. So this platform is called Appen Global. I'll drop the link below so that you can get started. But then this site, it is global. It does not matter where you are. It is available for everyone. As long as you have free time, you can make this free, man. What I love about it is that I always find projects there. I mean, their size, guys, it looks super professional. So whenever you are done with your survey, you can always put in an invoice there. Sometimes you don't need to put an invoice, they'll just pay you automatically. But then the way it is so professional. They are social surveys, and they're just surveys that they pay you for buying, like swag bags. So they'll pay you for buy something like that. But then I love the outlay of the platform. It looks super professional. So like I said, the name of the site is, but I'll drop the link, is connect.appen.com. So if you look at this right now, you see that under all projects, they are you are able to see projects that you are qualified for, and then you are also able to see projects that you are not qualified for. Now, don't let that scare you. Projects that you don't qualify for does not mean you can't do them. It just means that you need to apply for them so you can qualify for them. Some of them, automatically they qualify you for, but some of them you need to apply because they need to check if you meet certain requirements. And you're also able to go to all projects to see all the projects. And what I love about this is that before you take a survey, you can see how much this survey is gonna pay you. You're not gonna answer something and spend most of your time, and then at the end of the day find that you've been spending most of your time on something that is gonna pay you little. So with that being said, guys, you can literally make more than $10 a day. I mean, if you take 2 surveys a day, that is $10 already in a day. So in a month, I don't know, but you can make more, guys. You can make more. So I'll advise you to utilize this page. And like I said, this is like high survey professional site. So make sure that you answer all questions honestly and correctly. Another thing, guys, with this site, right? I know that we are used to survey sites that pay you with Amazon gift cards, PayPal. With this one now, you're gonna need to open the Pioneer account, because they only pay via Pioneer account. I'll drop the link below for you to open the Pioneer account. The Pioneer account is not hectic, guys. You don't need to pay anything for you to open it. So I'm gonna drop the link below so you can start registering there your account, and then so that you can get paid. Well, I hope you're gonna enjoy taking service there and making money, and I hope to see you on the next video. Remember guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.